आप क्या खा रहे हैं? What are you eating? What are you eating? मैं आपसे कहाँ संपर्क करूं? Where should I contact you? Where should I contact you? अब मुझे क्या करना है? What am I to do now? What am I to do now? वह आवाज क्या है? What is that sound? What is that sound? शालू कहाँ है? Where is शालू? Where is शालू? वे क्या कर रहे हैं? What are they doing? What are they doing? तुम वापस कैसे आ गए हो? How have you come back? How have you come back? क्या मामला है? What's the matter? What's the matter? अब आपकी माँ का क्या हाल है? How is your mother now? How is your mother now? आपके पास क्या था? What did you have? What did you have? आपकी उम्र क्या है? How old are you? How old are you? क्या आज आप देर से आएंगे? Are you going to be late tonight? Are you going to be late tonight? उसने क्या कहा? What did she say? What did she say? आप इतने गंभीर क्यों हैं? Why are you so serious? Why are you so serious? शालू क्या करती है? What does शालू do? What does शालू do? रात के भोजन में क्या क्या है? What's the menu for dinner? What's the menu for dinner? कितना समय लगेगा? How long will it take? How long will it take? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? वहाँ पर क्या है? What is over there? What is over there? उसके पास क्या है? What does she have? What does she have? क्या मैं आपका फ़ोन इस्तेमाल कर सकती हूँ? May I use your phone? May I use your phone? मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या कर सकती हूँ? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? तुम मेरी बात क्यों नहीं सुनते? Why don't you listen to me? Why don't you listen to me? अब मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do now? What should I do now? शालू क्या खा रही है? What is शालू eating? What is शालू eating? हम कहाँ मिलेंगे? Where shall we meet? Where shall we meet? यह किसका टेलीफोन नंबर है? Whose telephone number is this? Whose telephone number is this? शालू ने क्या बनाया? What did शालू make? What did शालू make? यह कौन है? Who is this? Who is this? तुमने पढ़ना क्यों छोड़ दिया? Why have you dropped your studies? Why have you dropped your studies? डॉक्टर ने क्या कहा? What did the doctor say? What did the doctor say? आप कैसे हैं? How do you do? How do you do? फिर आपने क्या किया? What did you do then? What did you do then? मुझे क्या लाना चाहिए? What should I bring? What should I bring? आप क्या ढूंढ रहे हैं? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? आप क्या करना चाहते हैं? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? बर्थडे केक किसने बनाया? Who made the birthday cake? Who made the birthday cake? रसोई में कौन है? Who is in the kitchen? Who is in the kitchen? आपकी विशेषता क्या है? What's your specialty? What's your specialty? तुम क्या बनना चाहते हो? What do you want to be? What do you want to be? आप किसे आमंत्रित करने जा रहे हो? Whom are you going to invite? Whom are you going to invite? क्या कोई परेशानी है? Is there any problem? Is there any problem? उसने दुर्घटना के लिए किसे दोषी ठहराया? Whom did he blame for the accident? Whom did he blame for the accident? किसका कुत्ता बाहर भौंक रहा है? Whose dog is barking outside? Whose dog is barking outside? तुमने उसे क्या कहा? What did you say to him? What did you say to him? तुमने उससे क्या कहा? क्या मैं आपके साथ डांस कर सकती हूँ? May I have a dance with you? May I have a dance with you? मैं आज की पार्टी में क्या पहनूं? What should I wear in the party tonight? What should I wear in the party tonight? तुम क्या करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? आप क्या देखने जा रहे हो? What are you going to see? What are you going to see? मुझे किसका उपयोग करना चाहिए? Which one should I use? Which one should I use? कौन सा नया है? Which one's the new one? Which one's the new one? आप अपने कुत्ते को क्या खिलाते हैं? What do you feed your dog? What do you feed your dog? तुम क्या करने वाले हो? What are you going to do? What are you going to do? यह कितना ऊंचा है? How high is it? How high is it? यह कैसे बना है? How is it made? How is it made? उसने ऐसा क्या किया? What made her do that? What made her do that? आपका क्या सुझाव है? What do you suggest? What do you suggest? आज कौन सी पिक्चर लगी है? What movie is on today? What movie is on today? क्या आप हमारे साथ बैठेंगे? Would you like to join us? Would you like to join us? आप दोनों क्या कर रहे हो? What are you two doing? What are you two doing? यहाँ सबसे अच्छा होटल कौन सा है? Which is the best hotel here? Which is the best hotel here? आपको इतना दुखी कौन करता है? Who makes you so sad? Who makes you so sad? क्या खबर है? What's the news? What's the news? वह शोर क्या था? What was that noise? What was that noise? डेस्क में क्या है? What is in the desk? What is in the desk? सोचो उसने मुझसे क्या कहा? Guess what he told me. Guess what he told me. तुम क्या देख रहे हो? What are you looking at? What are you looking at? आप क्यों तकलीफ करते हैं? Why do you trouble yourself? Why do you trouble yourself? कंप्यूटर रीसेट करो. Reset the computer. Reset the computer. काम में रुकावट मत डालो. Don't hold up the work. Don't hold up the work. दोनों हाथों से पकड़े रहो. Hold with both hands. Hold with both hands. बुरी आदतों से सावधान रहना चाहिए. Be careful against bad habits. Be careful against bad habits. मेहमानों की सेवा करो. Look after the guests. Look after the guests. इधर उधर की बातें ना करो. Don't beat about the bush. Don't beat about the bush. फूल मत तोड़ो. Don't pluck the flowers. Don't pluck the flowers. खराब आदतें छोड़ दो. Give up bad habits. Give up bad habits. खाना अच्छी तरह चबाकर खाओ. Chew your food well. Chew your food well. दांतों को ब्रश कर लो. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. दांतों को ब्रश कर लो. मुझसे यह काम नहीं होगा। I can't do this. I can't do this. यह सच नहीं है। This is not true. This is not true. किसी को धोखा ना दो। Don't cheat anybody. Don't cheat anybody. मैं गाना नहीं जानता। I don't know how to sing. I don't know how to sing. नहीं, मैं नहीं जा सका। No, I couldn't go. No, I couldn't go. चिंता मत करो। Stop worrying. Stop worrying. बच्चों की तरह मत रो। Don't cry like children. Don't cry like children. मुझे आप पर गर्व है। I am proud of you. I am proud of you. कोई हर्ज नहीं। It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. डरो मत। Don't be scared. Don't be scared. तुम्हें चिंता किस बात की है? What's bothering you? What's bothering you? फिक्र की कोई बात नहीं। There is no need to worry. There is no need to worry. हिचकिचाओ नहीं। Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. मुझे इसकी परवाह नहीं। I am not bothered about it. I am not bothered about it. ईश्वर की यही इच्छा थी। It was God's will. It was God's will. बड़े अफसोस की बात है। It is very sad. It is very sad. समय का पालन करो। Be punctual. Be punctual. आप मेरी ओर क्यों घूरते हैं? Why do you stare at me? Why do you stare at me? कैसी शर्म की बात है। What a shame. What a shame. क्या मैंने आपको चोट पहुंचाई है? Have I hurt you? Have I hurt you? आप बेकार गुस्सा हो रहे हैं। You are angry for nothing. You are angry for nothing. कुछ नहीं। Nothing. Nothing. दूसरों की आलोचना ना करो। Don't criticize others. Don't criticize others. उसे छुट्टी नहीं मिल सकी। He couldn't manage to get leave. He couldn't manage to get leave. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। I don't want anything. I don't want anything. आपका कहना ठीक है। You are right. You are right. मेरी सहानुभूति आपके साथ है। My sympathies are with you. My sympathies are with you. मुझे कोई ऐतराज नहीं है। I have no objection. I have no objection. ऐसा ही होगा। It will be so. It will be so. मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ। I agree with you. I agree with you. मैं आपके साथ हूँ। I am with you. I am with you. मैं आपका निमंत्रण स्वीकार करती हूँ। I accept your invitation. I accept your invitation. मुझे यह सुनकर बड़ा दुख हुआ। I am very sorry to hear this. I am very sorry to hear this. मैं आपकी सलाह के मुताबिक काम करूंगी। I will follow your advice. I will follow your advice. माफी चाहती हूँ। Pardon me. Pardon me. मैं तो मजाक कर रही थी। I was just joking. I was just joking. आप बुरा ना माने। Please don't mind this. Please don't mind this. भाड़ में जाओ। Go to hell. Go to hell. तुम कितने अच्छे हो। You are so nice. You are so मुझे उससे चिढ़ आती है। He irritates me. He irritates me. उसने मेरे विश्वास को ठेस पहुंचाई। He has let me down. He has let me down. कमाल कर दिया। That's wonderful. That's wonderful. तुम्हारा काम तारीफ के काबिल है। Your work is praiseworthy. Your work is praiseworthy. मैं किसका विश्वास करूं? Whom can I trust? Whom can I trust? किसका दोष है? Who is to blame? Who is to blame? आपकी नेक सलाह के लिए धन्यवाद। Thanks for your kind advice. Thanks for your kind advice. मैं यह कभी नहीं भूल सकती। I can never forget it. I can never forget it. ये सब तुम्हारी गलती है। It's all your fault. It's all your fault. मैं आपकी क्या सेवा करूं? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? मैंने क्या किया? What I have done. What I have done. वह यहाँ नहीं आती। She does not come here. She does not come here. मुझे कार चलाना पसंद है। I like to drive a car. I like to drive a car. क्या आप उसे पहचानते हो? Do you recognize him? Do you recognize him? मुझे उसे कहाँ ढूंढना चाहिए? Where should I look for him? Where should I look for him? मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो। Leave me alone. Leave me alone. तुम जाओगे नहीं? Won't you go? Won't you go? मुझे उससे मिलना है। I have to meet him. I have to meet him. हम अब कहाँ पर हैं? Where are we now? Where are we now? मैं तुम्हारे पक्ष में हूँ। I am on your side. I am on your side. आप नाराज हैं क्या? Are you angry? Are you angry? अपने आप को बदलो। Change yourself. Change yourself. हमें अंग्रेजी में बात करनी चाहिए। We should talk in English. We should talk in English. तुम्हें मालूम है? Do you know? Do you know? आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई। Glad to meet you. Glad to meet you. मुझे अच्छा लगता है। I feel good. I feel good. फिर जरूर आइएगा। Do come again. Do come again. यह तुम्हारे लिए है। This is for you. This is for you. तुम खुश नहीं थे। You were not pleased. You were not pleased. हम पहले मिल चुके हैं। We have met before. We have met before. मुझे थोड़ा समय दो। Give me some time. Give me some time. एक काम करोगे? Will you do one thing? Will you do one thing? अपना परिचय दो। Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself. पागल मत बनो। Don't be silly. Don't be silly. यहाँ से मत जाओ। Don't go from here. Don't go from here. कौन है? Who is it? Who is it? शुरू करें। Shall we begin? Shall we begin? मुझे जवाब चाहिए। I need answer. I need answer. जरा धीरे बोलें। Will you please speak slowly? Will you please speak slowly? मेरी बुराई ढूंढना बंद करो। Stop finding my evil. Stop finding my evil. क्या आप मुझे बैठने देंगे? Will you please let me sit? Will you please let me sit? खुद पर ध्यान दो। Pay attention to yourself. Pay attention to yourself. मुझे थोड़ी सी देर हो गई। I got a little late. I got a little late. आपकी आज्ञा से कहना चाहती हूँ। Allow me to say. Allow me to say. ऐसा गलती से हो गया। It was all by mistake. It was all by mistake. मुझे आराम करने दो। Let me rest. Let me rest. क्या आप थोड़ा सा खिसकेंगे? Will you please move a bit? Will you please move a bit? मैं अभी व्यस्त हूँ। I am busy right now. I am busy right now. वह मेरे पास बैठा है। He is sitting next to me. He is sitting next to me. मेरी ओर से माफी मांग लीजिए। Please convey my apologies. Please convey my apologies. वह बहुत भोली है। She is very innocent. She is very innocent. कष्ट के लिए क्षमा करें। Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry for the inconvenience. मुझे दोष मत दो। Don't blame me. Don't blame me. क्या गड़बड़ है? What's the trouble? What's the trouble? वह अब नहीं रहे। He is no more. He is no more. जैसी आपकी मर्जी। As you please. As you please. इसे अपनी ही चीज समझें। It's all yours. It's all yours. अपनी समस्याओं का सामना करो। Face your problems. Face your problems. अपनी समस्याओं का सामना करो। मुझे बहुत बुरा लग रहा है। I am feeling very bad. I am feeling very bad. मुझे बड़ा दुख है। I am very sorry. I am very sorry. तुम मेरे बारे में चिंता मत करो। Don't you worry about me. Don't you worry about me. जरा ध्यान दीजिए। May I have your attention please? May I have your attention please? माफ कीजिए। I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. मुझे अपने काम से प्यार है। I love my work. I love my work.